Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up and add Midjourney bot on Discord. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Midjourney Discord. Now, open the first website and the Discord app will be launched automatically. On the Discord application, click on the Join Midjourney button and the server will be added. Now, navigate to the target Midjourney server where the bot is already active. Once you are in the server, access the required text channel where the Midjourney bot has sent messages. Locate any message sent by the Midjourney bot. Click on the message and a pop-up menu will appear. From the available options, select Add App. This will open a new menu. In the new menu, select Add to Server and then choose the target server where you want to add the Midjourney bot. After selecting the target server, click on the Continue button. Now, you will then be prompted to authorize the bot. Click on the Authorize button to complete the process. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the bot has been added successfully. If you click on the Go To button, your server will be displayed and you can see the Midjourney bot active in your server. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.